Most people think making more money means getting a second job, starting a huge business, or working non-stop. But what if some of the easiest ways to make extra income are already sitting right in front of you, and you're completely overlooking them? A lot of people spend time chasing trending side hustles because social media makes it seem like you need some massive breakthrough idea to build financial stability. But real financial growth usually looks a lot less exciting in the beginning. It often starts with small income opportunities, stronger financial habits, and learning how to make better use of the skills you already have. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is thinking they need to learn something completely new before earning extra money. The truth is, many people already have valuable skills they underestimate. Maybe you're organized. Maybe you're good with spreadsheets. Maybe you're great at communication, customer service, writing, budgeting, or helping people stay organized. Those everyday abilities can often become real income opportunities. Some people start earning extra money through freelance writing. Others offer virtual assistant services. Some help businesses with bookkeeping tasks. People create digital products, tutor online, help with social media, offer consulting services, or turn hobbies into side income. A skill that feels normal to you could solve a problem someone else is willing to pay for. The problem is most people wait too long because they're waiting for the perfect opportunity. They think they need a huge plan before starting. But income growth usually begins with small actions done consistently over time. Small opportunities can slowly grow into bigger ones when you stay consistent and improve your systems. There's another important piece people miss when trying to improve their finances. Making more money matters. But cash flow matters too. If money comes in and immediately goes out, earning more doesn't always solve the problem. Take a closer look at where your money actually goes every month. Subscriptions you forgot about. Impulse spending. Expenses that slowly build up without you noticing. Small leaks in your budget can quietly hold back financial progress. Sometimes improving your finances isn't about earning another $1,000 immediately. Sometimes it's learning how to keep more of what you're already earning. This becomes even more important if you're building side income. Tracking income early matters. Tracking expenses matters.
Keeping templates that save time and keep your finances organized? Check out Esvea Accounting on Etsy for accounting spreadsheets, trackers, and ready-to-use bookkeeping tools for small business owners and freelancers. Available in 7 different colors so you can choose the style that fits you best. Everything is simple, practical, and easy to use. Prices start at only 85 cents. Grab yours today and start organizing with ease.
Building simple accounting habits early creates better financial organization later. When money starts growing, staying organized becomes easier if you've already built good habits from the beginning. A lot of successful income streams don't start big. They start small. Maybe it's $50 extra one month. Maybe it's one small freelance client. Maybe it's selling a digital product for the first time. The people who build stronger finances long-term usually aren't chasing overnight success. They're building momentum. Over time, small income sources can grow. Systems improve. Skills improve. Confidence improves. A small side hustle today can become a much larger income source later. Some people even create income streams that continue earning long after the initial work is done. Financial growth usually doesn't happen instantly. It happens through consistency, better habits, better cash flow management, smarter financial decisions. Small wins stack together over time. If you've been waiting for some giant money-making opportunity to suddenly change everything, stop waiting. Look at the skills you already have. Look at your financial habits. Look at problems people ask you to solve. Hidden income opportunities are often much closer than people realize. Building stronger finances doesn't always require huge investments or complicated strategies. Sometimes it starts with small decisions, better money habits, and taking action before everything feels perfect. The sooner you start, the sooner those small wins can begin building into something much bigger. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.